Hi, it's Steph from Simplicity Happens, and today's tutorial features Valentine's Day and Friendship Day clip art, candy pop hearts, and heart envelopes. And this is a great tutorial for parents, teachers, and those on Teachers Pay Teachers. If you're enjoying my videos, please subscribe to the Simplicity Happens channel, and let's get started creating these adorable clip art, candy pops, and envelopes now. Hello and welcome. Let's get started creating our heart envelope. So the first thing we'll do is go into Insert Shapes, and we're going to select the rectangle. Once you see that plus sign, just click and drag it out. And then we can shape fill in white with a black outline. And in order to thicken the outline, let's go down under Shape Outline all the way to Weight. And we'll select the 4.5 point thickness. Next, come on up to the boxes up here. And in the shape height box, we'll enter 3.58. And in the shape width box, we can enter 5.33. Now, what we'll do next is go into Insert Shapes, and under Lines, we'll select the first line. And then once you see that plus sign, you can just click on the left top corner of the envelope, and we'll just drag to the bottom right corner of the envelope. Let's shape outline in a 4.5 point thickness, and we'll repeat that on the other side. So go into Insert Shapes and select that first line. Once you see that plus sign, we'll come over here to the bottom left corner of the envelope and just click and drag to the top right corner of the envelope. Might move that just a tad. And then I'm going to shape outline in the same thickness, that 4.5 point thickness. All right, now that that's completed, we can go ahead and select the rectangle and the lines, and we can group them. So come on up to Group and Group, and that allows us to have the envelope as one image. I'm just going to bring it to the center, so I'd like to go up to a line and then a line center. And next, we'll just put on our fun heart. So under Shapes, let's select the heart under Basic Shapes, and we'll just click and drag this out. And then we can do Shape Fill in a nice red color. And I'm also going to do the shape outline in a 4.5 point thickness. Now it's up to you, but I have my dimensions for the heart at 1.08 in the shape height box, and I'm going to select 1.58 in the shape width box. I'm just going to go ahead and bring this to the center, align center, and then I can group by selecting the heart and the envelope and coming up to Group and Group. Now that that's completed, you can right click and save as a picture somewhere on your desktop, and of course, keep your original so you can come back and make modifications, such as changing your heart to different colors. Next, let's create some cute heart candy pops to go along with our heart envelope. The first thing we'll do is go to Insert Shapes, and we're going to come all the way down under Basic Shapes and select the cylinder. Once you see the plus sign, let's just click and drag this out. We're going to shape fill in white and shape outline in black. And I am going to make the thickness 3 points. Now I'm going to come up here to the shape height box and enter 2.75. And in the shape width box, I'm going to enter 0.2. Next, let's create the heart candy pop. So we'll go up to Insert, Shapes, and we're going to scroll down under Basic Shapes and select the heart. We'll go ahead and click and drag this out. And then shape fill in whatever colors you like. I'm going to choose a variety of colors, so I'll do red at this time. And then I'm also going to shape outline in black with a 3-point thickness. Now I'm going to come over here to the shape height box and enter 1.61, and in the shape width box, enter 1.7. I can just bring this over here on top of the other piece, and just to align center for both, I'm going to do that now. So go up to Align and then Align Center. Next, let's create some definition for our heart candy pop. We'll select the heart and then come up to Shape Format, then go to Shape Effects, and we'll scroll all the way down and select Bevel, and then scroll all the way down to the last row and we'll select the first square, and it's called the divot. Once you click on that, you'll notice that the heart candy pop has a little bit more definition. Next, let's create some text for our heart. So we can go up to Insert, Text Box, and then just click and drag this out. I'm going to enter love into the text box. I'm going to select the text and scroll down on the font to 40 points. And then I'm going to select a font of my choice. And then once that's complete, I'm just going to bring the text box in. Once that's complete, I'll just bring the text box over to the center of the heart and select Align Center. Then I'm going to select a different color text. So I'm going to go up to Shape Format and then select Text Fill. And I'm going to put it in a white color. Once the text is completed, we can select the text, then press down on Control and Shift, select the heart and the stick, and then come on up to Shape Format and select Group and Group. By grouping each part of the candy pop together, we create one single unit. And what we can do now is copy and paste by pressing down on Control C and Control V. And just for fun, I'm going to do a variety of colors. So I'm just selecting Control C, Control V. And now for the fun part, what we can do is go in and change the heart colors. So go ahead and select the item and then click again just to select the heart. And then go up to Shape Format, Shape Fill, and select the colors of your choice. So maybe you like purple, pink, red, yellow. I'm going to go ahead and make a rainbow of colors now. Once you have all of the colors you like, feel free to arrange them in as many ways as you'd like. I hope you've enjoyed this Valentine's Day and Friendship Day tutorial with me, and stick around for next week and I'll be back with another clip art tutorial. See you then. Bye.